this next form of research, I was able to gather a lot of information from our Samuels and Farstrup book for our class. And this really dives into the systematic and explicit instruction and how vital it is to vocabulary instruction, along with its benefits. So, systematic and explicit instruction has been shown to produce greater gains than other forms of instruction, particularly among students who struggle with reading. In one study, first and second graders were provided one of the three types of reading instruction: direct instruction, embedded instruction, or implicit instruction. Students in the direct instruction group improved in word reading skill at a significantly faster rate than students in the other two groups. In addition, 44% of students who received embedded instruction and 46% of students who received implicit instruction demonstrated no growth on measures of word reading, but only 16% of students who received direct instruction failed to demonstrate growth on the same measures.